sitting at the right hand side of God, interceding for us. If the love of Christ is with us, who can be against us? I said, who can be against us? Don't let your heart be troubled. Trust in Him, brother. Do not harden your heart, my sister.
Burda style. Burda style. And we are showing this design. This design with Ankara cloth. Check on Ankara. This cloth combined with check. One side check. One side sleeve Ankara cloth. It's either we use it for the sleeve or the sleeve and combination. Though this is soft, trace it and cut. Now I'm going to cut the fold it on the material like this, but I don't have long table, so I will do it halfway. This is this soft, and this is a little bit hard. So let's do it. So I've traced it. The pattern is on Jesus Christ, who died and resurrected, sitting at the right hand side of God, interceding for us. If the love of Christ is with us, who can be against us? I said, who can be against us? Don't let your heart be troubled. Trust in Him, brother. Do not harden your heart, my sister. If the Son of God set you free, this is what the neck, the front, because of buttons, it has to be open. Non-fold. So the shoulder, I took the sleeve pattern from the burda, so cutting here according to the shoulder. So now I'm not going to do it long. The interface, I'll make it in the middle so that the downside I'll join it so the front bottom will not open, but at my nail it will close. Now I have the facing. I iron it with abrasive, and for the buttons, only the bottom side. So I'm going to sew it, and the collar too is ready. So I'm going to sew the front bottom facing, and then the back I'm going to join the shoulder and shoulder. This is a pocket, 4 big pockets for the shirt, and because this shirt is combined with Ankara, combination with Ankara, so I'm joining the other fabric to the shirt check side, and I have another third fabric that I'm joining also to the shirt. So I'll make it little, I'll slice it.
If the Son of God set you free, if the Son of God set you free, you'll be free, free indeed. If the Son of God set you free, if the Son of God set you free.
Yes, this is ready for the belt. This will be at the back of the belt. So I'm going to do it. 3 pieces. be in you. My joy may be in you. The Spirit of the Lord is with me to preach good news to the poor, to the rich. The Spirit of the Lord is with me to bind up the broken hearts, to proclaim freedom for the captives in darkness. Yeah, yeah, the oil of gladness instead of mourning. Oh, yeah, yeah, the garment of His praises, the spirit of His praise.
If the Son of God set you free, if the Son of God set you free, you'll be free, free indeed.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I was born without hope, without no future, but now I'm saved through the blood of the Savior, yeah. Jesus Christ, who died and resurrected, sitting at the right hand side of God, interceding for us. If the love of Christ is with us, who can be against us? I said, who can?
Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rebecca. Today I have new tutorial. A spring dress, the Carol Monster with Ankara. Yes, from Burda catalog. This is actual model. I hope you like it. If you are here for the first time, please give me thumb up, like and subscribe. Just subscribe for fun, and God will bless you. If you are my old viewer, God bless you. Today is another day. We are getting into summer. It's now spring and it's cold. I hope you like to watch a new from me. Thank you and stay blessed. Subscribe.
My sister.
If the Son of God set you free, if the Son of God set you free,